Hi, I'm Angelique with the Pacific Escrow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your listing via MLS to next Wednesday's Laguna Woods Caravan. The cutoff time is Tuesday 3 p.m., so please make sure to complete these steps by that time to ensure your listing is included in the presentation. It will be emailed to several hundred agents on Tuesday evening. First, log into your MLS. In your Matrix dashboard, you'll find an Add Edit button on the top navigation bar. Enter this to bring up your current listings. Select the listing that you'd like to place on the Caravan. This brings up a modified listing screen. Find Open House under the Select Form bar and click it. This will bring up the Open House input form. Now, most of you agents know how to set your open houses, but we're going to do it a little bit differently for the virtual open house. So for the date, you're going to choose the following Wednesday, as our caravans are always on Wednesday, and the time will be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then under showing agent, you could put your name or whoever you'll have representing you for the property. Under attended, we're going to put unattended as it is virtual. And then for your open house type, you're going to go ahead and put virtual broker. Now, in the description of this video, you will find our virtual open house URL link, and you can go ahead and copy that right there. And then make sure your listing is under active. Once that is complete, you're going to hit submit listing, and it will let you know that your listing has successfully been submitted.